everyone. Today I'm going to be going over how to control the video speed on a video in the YouTube app. So here we have a video open, and this is what it sounds like at regular speed. Let's pause the video, and this is what happens. When you tap the video, it brings up all these controls. What we need to look at is the upper right-hand corner. The important one to look at are these three dots, which are for more settings. Tap on those three dots. From the bottom, it'll bring up more controls. We are looking at the playback speed. Currently, it is at normal. Tap the playback speed, and it'll bring up all the selections for you. You can go from very slow at 0.25x to very fast at 2x. Let's check out this video at 1.5x. So tap that and play. And pausing the video. So that is how you can change the speed. Again, if you want to bring up the controls, just tap on the video and upper right hand corner, the three dots, and here playback speed. You can see the current playback speed is 1.5x. Tap on that and pick any one you want, but let's try normal to bring it back up to normal speed. So, would you like another little quick tip? This is actually how you can jump in the video. If you tapped on the right side twice, really quickly, it'll go forward 10 seconds. Tap 3 times very quickly, and it'll go forward 20 seconds, and so on. I think I've gotten it up to 50 seconds. I'm not sure. Let's go for it, which is like 6 taps. Yay, 50 seconds. So suppose you want to go back. So on the left side, tap twice for going back 10 seconds. So 40 seconds, tap 5 times. And there you have it. So that's another little quick tip. So I hope you enjoyed this video on controlling the video speed on the YouTube app. This came out not too long ago. I know people had this issue in the past. So hopefully you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.